Good morning, you guys. What's up? My face looks extra moisturized. I just finished putting on sunscreen. I am on my way to my photo shoot. Running a little late. My car is just acting weird because it's been some time since I've turned it on. Well, used it in any form, so it is acting a little bit weird. But yeah, as you guys saw this morning, I worked out. I, did what it is that I had to do, and I prayed and got ready and out the door. It is now 7:35, so I usually like to leave my house by like 7:15, 7:20ish, but I ended up leaving a little bit later, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. So yeah, today's gonna be a photo shoot day. Oh, well, I didn't even introduce you guys. Welcome to day 6. Yes, day 6 of Vlogmas. Hold on, because I'm waiting. Welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Fanta. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. My name is Fanta. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, today is gonna be all about my photo shoot. That's pretty much most of what I'm doing today.
Turn left onto
Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I know yesterday after my shoot I didn't come on here to talk to you guys, but I was so exhausted, like so exhausted. I don't think I have felt that much like that exhausted or that tired in so freaking long. I was only running on 3 hours of sleep. I had woke up and worked out like you guys saw this morning. Woke up and worked out and everything, but I was only running on 3 hours of sleep. So I was really like, it was really kicking my ass. So today I have more energy because I went to bed hella early, like 10:30. Today, another shoot day, my boyfriend always says that I do this, and I didn't know that I did this, but I really do this. But yeah, today's another shoot day. I will be doing the same thing I did yesterday, a little b-roll or whatever, because it's not really much else to do. It's not like I could sit there and talk to you guys. I am in the process of editing my video as well, so I will be editing my video and posting that up for today, finally. Like, it just took forever to freaking post that freaking video. But Vlogmas day 2 and 3 are going to be combined because day 2 and 3 doesn't really have much going on in it. So I'm just going to combine those two. And Vlogmas day 4 is going to be on its own, day 5. And then you guys are just going to see 6, 7, and 8 conjoined, because I don't know what to tell you guys. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what to tell you guys. This if I was to split up day 6 and day 7 and day 8, you guys are literally only going to have 5-minute videos to watch. You know what I mean? So it's like, that's not really a Vlogmas. So I'm just going to just mesh them together. Today we're also going to my cousin's 1-year anniversary for JBB, her salon. So yeah, once I leave my photo shoot, I gotta go home, shower, change, and get ready to go to that and try to do my makeup and all of that in less than like an hour. That is not realistic at all, but I'm gonna try. Like, that's what matters. It's the thought that matters, right? So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So today we're gonna have a little bit more spice to the vlog and not the regular boring stuff. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today.
Yeah.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work.
You know what I mean? We all go through struggles and trials and everything, you know what I mean? So we all got our own story. Let's This is the 1-year anniversary. We want to hear right now. You don't got to get deep into it. We get a party, we want to have fun. I mean, a little something. Yeah? 2, 3. Everybody go.
Against you, I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my touch.
Yeah. You need to get done. That'll work, come over. Yeah. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friends.
Hey guys, what's up? It is day 8. No, day 9. I don't know. It's some day of Vlogmas. I don't know. My days are all like jumbled up right now. I'm so tired. So tired. As you guys saw, I went to my cousin's 1-year anniversary celebration, and it was so nice. It was just a vibe. I stayed there much longer than I said I was going to stay there. I ended at 12, and I didn't end up leaving until 1 because I was like helping her like clean and just doing, you know, chatting and a whole bunch of stuff that I shouldn't have been doing. I should have been worried about taking my ass home so I could be in bed by 1. Ended up not being in bed by 2:30, which I don't like. But It is the next day. It is 7:30 now. I am on my way to my shoot. I shall be there on time today because it's not as much traffic. I say on time, but I've basically been on time. Besides the first day. The first day, it was crazy. It was a lot that was going on outside. But today is not traffic. Like, there is literally no traffic. Well, there's a little bit of traffic that's holding up. That's making about like a 7-minute delay. Excuse me. But a lot of times I usually beat that traffic anyways. So I am going to get there like at 8:05. And today is going to be another montage of my day because I feel like getting on camera and just being like, hey, this is what I'm doing. Hey, this is what I'm doing. Hey, we're just doing this. It's just kind of like, it's repetitive because I've basically been doing the same thing for 3 days straight. And you guys saw that. Well, you guys know that already. If you've seen my Vlogmas of last year, if you've seen, you know, my other photo shoots, it's kind of like exactly the same thing. So I just don't want to bore you guys talking about the same thing or bore you guys with like talking about the same thing. We're in between shots right now. And maybe this is given. What y'all think? This is given. I'm gonna give y'all 2 more looks after this. And then we going into pony. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Guys, so I'm back home from my shoot. I've been home for a while now, but I just forgot to prop up this camera. I am currently making my base for dreads that I'm doing tomorrow. So I'm basically making crochet dreads. So that way I don't have a lot to do. Let me go ahead and show you guys a closer look. So I have my dread base here. Well, this is the base here, and this is the actual dread. I'm just making it just so, like I said, I don't have a lot to do tomorrow. All I gotta do is just crochet these pieces into her head. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to wrap up because I'm tired. Okay, truthfully, honestly, I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and I also don't know where I can prop you guys so y'all can see this. But I am exhausted, my back hurts.
I got niggas tryna end me all. Yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
Okay, well, my back hurts. I am finished. It is now 12:39, so it's officially the next day, which also means that it's officially over for this day of Vlogmas. I completely forgot what day it is. I think it's day 8 now. I don't know. I can't remember. Honestly, I really can't remember. Like, y'all just gotta bear with me. But I also wanted to show you guys the dreads that I did. This is not going to be... This is most likely not going to be all the dreads that I put in her hair. But this is about 40 dreads here. So it's a good base for me to start off with. I just have it on like a braided rope. But it's a good base for me to start off with, you know. And then from then on, I can add more dreads onto like the front of her hair or wherever I need to add more dreads at. But it just makes the process so much quicker, because if I sat there and did dreads would take me, dreads on her head, it would take me at least like 8 hours, and I don't want to do that for 8 hours. So this is going to cut that down to about 2.5 hours, maybe 3. That's the reason why I prepped and everything. But yeah, that's just the way I do dreads and stuff from now on. Like, that's just how I've been doing it, and I just find that I hope you guys enjoyed my combo of day 6, 7, and 8, I believe, of Vlogmas. I'm tired. I'm about to eat a little bit of food and chill for a little bit and then go to bed. I don't have to wake up super early tomorrow, but I have to wake up early enough to get out the door. I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, my couple of days of Vlogmas. At this point, after these videos, I would have most likely caught up to Vlogmas. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.